Detroit-Windsor sky. Rivets spark and welders glow. Every bolt placed steady and slow. Concrete trucks roll one by one, pouring strength beneath the sun. Hard hats gleam in midday heat, rising towers from street to street. We're building bridges, reaching far, when nations meet beneath the stars. Hands of steel, hearts of pride, the Gordie Howe Bridge, side to side. Cable strands like silver thread, stretched above the riverbed. Teams unite, no time to rest, testing strength with every stress. Engineers map the lines ahead, architects sketch dreams instead. Miles of plans, each line precise, every inch a sacrifice. We're building bridges, reaching far, where nations meet beneath the stars. Hands of steel, hearts of pride, the Gordie Howe Bridge, side to side. Sunrise shifts, midnight cruise, stories of the work they choose. Sweat and dirt and tired eyes, crafting hope that never dies. Safety vest glow neon bright, harness clip secure tight. Each cable taut, each beam aligned, legacy built by design.